Welcome to week 6 of the Rally Back campaign, and we are someplace really special to myself and to my cohort here, Kyle Visser, who has generously offered to match Treadstone's $500 this week. So we have a $1,000 tab, and we're going to do it at the Early Bird Quarantinos, located in the heart of East Town. Right. So Kyle, tell us why you chose this place.
Yeah, I mean, this place is a place I've been going to for, how many years have you been open now?
5.
And probably that's when I started in real estate, and this was like my office before I owned my office, which happens to be like 3 doors down from here. So almost every single day I'd have a coffee or 2 or 3 and meet with clients here. I picked up clients here, a little trick for my fellow realtors, hang out at coffee shops. The food's amazing, the drinks are amazing, Sarah's amazing, and I don't know, when Megan brought this to our attention, it was something that I thought this would be a perfect place for that.
Sarah and her husband have been so creative in doing everything they can to make it through this COVID, but it's really been hard, and we really need to support them. They live in this community, they work in this community. These are 2 big places in the middle of East Town. These are anchors in this community, so we need to come in force and support these people. So if you haven't been to Early Bird, I don't know who you are, what you've been doing, but come visit because it's amazing. And they opened up Quarantinos.
Quarantino's opened, I think it's probably about 4 or 5 months since the time of the rescue. It's a Detroit-style pizzeria using amazing fresh ingredients. Joel has really just kept reinventing the wheel endlessly, and we have reached the point. Our PPP we were very fortunate to get initial PPP, but that is no longer available. We're hoping to make it to the next round because, as you can see, we are very much a community in-person place, and we don't, especially Quarantinos, just don't have the opportunity to be our true selves unless we have people inside. So just trying to get to spring where we can have adorable children running around and families hanging out outside.
So like Kyle and I had mentioned,
Yeah.
we have a $1,000 tab. So we're gonna do $500 at Quarantinos and $500 at Early Bird, starting this Friday morning. So come support Sarah and her husband Joel. Yeah. Thanks to Kyle Visser for generously matching the donation. So $1,000 tab opens up at both places Friday morning. Thanks guys.
See y'all.